In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Wix. So doing this is pretty simple, and what you want to gonna do is first open up Wix, and on Wix just go to your settings right there, and from within settings go to site, domain and SEO, and under there you will find domains. Now in order to connect a custom domain you will need to have a premium plan, but for now just enter the URL that you bought on Namecheap right here, which for me is this right here. Then click Let's Go. And then you can see that danistutorials.online is taken, and that's because I bought it on Namecheap. So in that case, you want to click Yes, I own this domain. And from there you can see you need to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. And this is for if you haven't done that yet. So just click upgrade, and then here you can go and buy a plan. But if you already have upgraded, then now what you want to do is go to Namecheap, and then here go to account and dashboard. And Namecheap has made this very simple. All you have to do is go to your domain list right there. Then on your domain, go to the drop down and click manage. And then from here, go to advanced DNS. And then all you have to do is select the DNS template that applies to Wix. So just select Wix right here, and then it will add the CNAME records that you need after you click on save, or it will just add the DNS records that you need. So just select Wix, and now you can see it is now updated, and it has now added the 3 CNAME records and the A record that are needed for Wix. Now just go back to Wix. And now when you click yes, I own this domain and connect it, it will all happen automatically. Although this right here can take a few minutes or even a few hours to update. So if it doesn't work instantly, just try it after about 15 minutes, and then it can even take up to 48 hours. But usually it will be quicker than that. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Wix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.